Norway is famous for having many modern farms, such as salmon farms and lobster farms. However, for Norway, lobster production has important commercial value in Europe. The Norwegian state still relies on stock or fishing on the high seas. Then, how do these developed countries guarantee the freshness of their catch to be distributed to the countries in Europe? In this video, Technologia will invite you to know the modern packaging processes of Norway lobster. You need to know the Norway lobster is the dumpling by lobster, where this lobster has a slender pink-orange body that grows to a length of 25 centimeters. It is also the most important commercial crustacea in Europe. These lobsters live in the northeast of the Atlantic Ocean and the parts of the Mediterranean Sea, but they are not found in the Baltic and Black Seas. Adult lobsters emerge from their nests at night to eat worms and small fish. The story of catching Norway lobsters begins when these fishing boats leave the pier. Fishermen will use GPS and underwater sonar to map fishing areas. After arriving at their destination, fishermen will drop and spread their nets. Then, after some time, the fishermen will pull the net and harvest their catch. Sometimes in this fishing net, other animals such as baby shark and other crustacea will also be caught. So, workers will remove and sort the lobster based on their size. Next, the workers will place the lobster on the ice cooler until it is finally lowered back when it arrives at the dock to unload the catch. As soon as it is unloaded, these catches will be transported to the processing location in the city of Urk. This packaging process is mostly done automatically with intelligent computerization and some skilled workers to speed up the processing process and thus guarantee the quality of the Norway lobster. Before dawn, the employees were already at the processing site to start sorting the lobster upon the arrival to the production room within a few hours. After that, the Norway lobster is immediately ready to be packed and frozen. One of the important parts and the speed of packaging Norway lobster is the freezing processes, which uses nitrogen. With this method, lobster can be recorded in a very short time. This step is part of producing high-quality products and fulfilling the customer desire to do the packaging within a few hours of the arrival of the lobster from the fisherman. Then, This frozen lobster will be ready to be stored in one of the modern refrigerators and freezers. Here, the air is purified of bacteria and fungi. So amazingly that the chances of the spoilage are less and the shelf life is extended. This packaging and freezing technique have also begun to apply to other marine catches that have high economic value and require fast packaging in a matter of hours. With this packaging system, it is possible to always be able to serve market demand, both wholesale and retail large demand in supermarkets throughout Europe.